Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the LG Smart Monitor and I'm going to tell you how can you easily perform a image picture auto self-diagnosis test. At first click the gear icon on your remote or click the gear icon here in the top left corner. Here, as you can see, now I will mark it here. Click on that and now click the gear icon once again. Now scroll down to support. Here, as you can see, we have the screen self-diagnosis. Let's click on that. It will take some time to load in, don't worry. And now, as you can see, we have the image. This is the test image. Please look carefully. Is the picture above displayed clearly on your screen? If yes, click yes. If no, click no. I will click no to check what will happen. Here, as you can see, do you need more help? Please contact LG Support Center. Have the following information before calling. So now we can call the LG Support Center, contact LG Support Center, and below that we have the model name, software version, and serial number. We can just report the issue. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.